Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can add the store policies and legal pages in Shopify. The process is really simple. The Shopify already provide most of the templates for these legal pages, so you don't have to do any hard work or use any AI tool or a tool on the Google. There are the templates are most of the templates are already provided by Shopify itself. So what you have to do, the process is really simple, and to add those policy pages to the navigation, the process is also straightforward. I will also explain that in this video. So you have to click on settings, okay, and then you have to click on policies. There is already a section for this page, policies page. You just have to click on this one. Once you click on this page, so you have like five policy pages: return and refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, shipping policy, and contract information. Also, you have like return rules, but it's not necessary to manage them for now because our concern is to create the legal pages, something like this. You can create the rules for it if you want, but this is an optional step, not necessary. This is up to you. So what you have to do, you just have to click on return and refund policy, just click on no policy set, and then you have to click on insert template. So this will insert a random template, a well written template for you, and there's like dummy data also, like as you can see, insert return address. So you can add something, the address of your warehouse or your store or your office. So I will write like Boson Road, Multan. Okay, and then again, the email has been filled automatically, all the data has been filled automatically. You just have to click on publish now. Okay, so I've just published it, and now I will click on the privacy policy page. I will click on no policy set, and then again the automatic policy has been updated by Shopify, and you just have to replace the dummy data. That's it. So it's important that you don't just publish any dummy data inside your Shopify because it doesn't look professional. A lot of my clients, uh, when they come to me, the store has a lot of dummy data and looks really non-professional. The first thing I do is that I change that dummy data and fill it with their own information. So currently, there is nothing required for this template. There's no dummy data. Just click on publish. The last updated date is also updated automatically. Okay, you just click on publish, and so now we have two policy pages updated, and now terms of service the same. The procedure, click on insert template, and as you can see, a lot of information this one has. As you can see, insert VAT, number of business. So for now, I don't need such information. Insert trading name, I don't need that. Okay, let me see if there is any other dummy information. No, there's not. So a lot of that actually. Okay, so it's up to you. Link to refund policy. Currently, I don't want to link to my refund policy because I'm not going to cover the internal linking in this lecture. That's a separate topic. Okay, just click on publish. Okay, so again, shipping policy for so shipping policy is not generated by Shopify by default. So you have to use some AI tool, or you can write it. So as the shipping policy is not generated by Shopify, I've used my favorite AI tool, DeepSeek, and generated some shipping policy text. You can hire a copywriter, you can hire a content writer, or any person you want. If you can write it yourself, how much time you take to deliver to specific areas of the world like USA, UK, or any country, or you can see the sample shipping policy page like I've created this one. So as you can see, the international shipping, standard shipping, expedited shipping, processing time, all the things I mentioned here. So I'll click on publish. So we have like created four policies page, and then the contact information, which is really important, the most important page you can see. So as you can see, the VAT number, all the things are done automatically. My phone number is 000. Okay, so I click on publish. So these policy pages are really important when you are running like Google Ads, or you are doing SEO, local SEO or simple SEO. They require these pages to process the data, and it is the requirement of the Google. Otherwise your ads won't run, or you will not get the required SEO results. So this is how the policy pages are created. So let me now add them to the navigation. Just show you how you can add them to the navigation. So this doesn't include the about us page, because this is about us page is not a policy page. Some people think that it is also a part of policy, but it is not a policy. It is just a part of branding, you can say. Okay. So you have, as we have created return policy, privacy policy, terms of service, shipping policy, contact information. Let's add it to the navigation. Let me show you how you can add it to the navigation. Just click on online store, and then you have to click on navigation. Normally these pages are included in the footer, but you can add it in the header as well if you want. That's up to you. So I click on something like this. Click on link. So it will show us the policies pages. So the policy pages like contact information, we will like contact us. Okay. And then another menu item, we will like the policy pages. So it will be like privacy policy. Again, all the data we will fill: privacy policy, refund policy, and then obviously the shipping policy. Again, the last policy, very important, terms of service. And just click on save, and you will see the things that these policy pages. You can also edit that the template of these legal pages, but that's an optional step. Mostly you don't have to edit the template for it. It's up to you. You can edit it through customization, but for now it's not necessary for this tutorial. As you can see, we have the policy pages here. Just click one of the policy and we will have an idea. So this is how the policy pages are created. I hope the things are clear to you. So let me know if there is an issue, and I will be available for any assistance.